Hello, crafty friends. It's Courtney Brickner, the CB behind the Crafty Brick. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I want to show you a little replay of something that I made the other day at the Crafty Adventure with Courtney. Look how cute this is. Let's see if we can get it to focus a bit. Just focus. You guys, this was made out of, those little makeup, those circle cotton round makeup removers, or just like cotton swabs. That's what this was made out of. I am obsessed with how cute this thing is. So I did a live and I just wanted to just do a little replay of the live. So just in case you just don't feel like watching the entire live, you just want to see, give me the details of how this thing was made so I can make it, get in, get out. This is what I'm going to show you right here. So check it out. I hope you make one. It's super cute, super fast, super cheap. I mean, it checks all three boxes. So I hope you like it. Let's make it. I feel like the lighting was a little hard to see exactly how I was folding it. So I just wanted to show you. I've got the cotton round. I fold it in half and then I fold it in half one more time. The part that I'm gluing is this side right here. This part, that's the open side. So that goes on the bottom of the tree like so. And then that is the part that's glued onto the tree. So that's the bottom. So these openings are on the tree like that. So on the outside. Okay. So the supplies I used were just a package of the cotton rounds, and it was really like a package and a quarter, so you'll need to get 2 of them. And then it was a styrofoam cone, which was I think about 7.5 inches. Then I just took my glue gun, I folded the cotton rounds just like I showed you previously, and I layered them all around the tree. So I just kept gluing them on, and then I move up to the next layer and glue that one on. And then when I got to the top, I decided to just glue it kind of onto the top of the cone because it's a flat base on the top of the cone. So I just took the cotton rounds, placed them on top to create a point. Then I took a little cotton swab or a Q-tip, and I poked that through the top and glued a star onto it as well. So I covered the star with a little Maker's Magic. You could use Mod Podge. I put some glitter on it, stuck it onto the Q-tip, and then stuck it into the top of the tree. Then I used a little foam brush and just brushed a little Maker's Magic all along the side, just sporadically, and then poured a little glitter on so that it had a little sparkle. Yo, I love it. It's so cute. I love the addition of the glitter. I love a little glitter. It's just so subtle and perfect. So I hope you guys make it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn the notifications so that you don't miss anything crafty, because I'm making all kinds of stuff all the time. You know it. If you're here with me, you know I'm doing something. So I'll be back very, very soon. Until then, stay crafty, my friends.